Hi there, I'm Nyaley and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. In today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me on a tour, on a journey to Nature World. Nature World is located in Gadette, and that is a part of the Nyaley Valley located in St. Lucia. And I will be showing you guys exactly what I will be seeing, and I hope you guys stick around and enjoy. I put on my mask, they're not seeing my face. So
morning. Yeah.
So right now we are entering the Larisho's Gap located in the Nyaley Valley. So if you're coming from anywhere else in St. Lucia, you take a bus that will drop you to this gap, and this is the gap that you take to bring you to Nature World. So it's recommended that you take a shuttle, or you have the people from Nature World come pick you up at the gap and drive you there. So right now, the tour guide is giving us some history of the Nyaley Valley. He's currently explaining to us that there was a plantation on the right side of the vehicle, where you see the bananas over there, on which many enslaved individuals resided. Now, when the enslaved individuals got harsh, brutal beatings from the slave masters, they fled to the hills and the valleys, the hills, and they ended up at Nature World, to the place where we are going today. The enslaved individuals who fled the plantations after brutal beatings were called Maroons. Now, when the Maroons arrived to the location where we now know it as Nature World, they really thought that they would be dying in that location. However, when they took a bath in the water, they were restored to perfect health. When the vicious slave masters found out that the formerly enslaved individuals, also known as Maroons, survived their tremendous beatings, they called the water Globeni. Globeni is translated to blessed waters. So right now, we are going up the Gadette Gap. Nature World is located in Gadette, so this is the gap you have to take to go to Nature World. And when you have entered this gap, you are sure to reach Nature World. If you need directions, just ask the man on the road. He will help you, he will direct you. So all you have to do is basically go straight up, just follow the road until the road ends, basically.
Check the Nyaley Foundation, that's where they were doing their tours. All their tours. Up there they are white. When I tell you white, that's the community of Gadette. So there's a community close by. Now that mountain there is the tallest mountain in the northern side. When you reach, that's Lucia. So when you all reach, there is a nice place to take a picture of it. Most times I stop here to take pictures of it. When you reach up there, you'll see the tallest mountain in St. Lucia, called in Suffren, called, you see, clear up by the place we're going in, Mount Jimmy. And then you see the other tall mountain we go from. You see all three mountains. Yeah, man. You see all three mountains. Usually when people come there, they spend the whole day, just that they close in early today. That's why they spend the whole day when people come there. Bullshot. Hi there, man. I go in higher up with some guests there, man. So we carry to and fro. They're 9 o'clock. So sometimes when you see it's about 3 o'clock. Oh my God.
Yeah.
But, you know, people just come in for a short line. They come around 3.
Well, if that curfew wasn't free, would be there a little longer.
Yeah, the whole day we usually advise people to stay there. It's a big place.
I can grip past it.
So that's the first time you're reaching here.
Yes.
It's a nice place. It's the same property. It's one property, 200 acres going right up back to Barbono. Barbono is just at the back there. So you're not far from Barbono.
So that's the road you're taking to go?
To Barbono? Yeah, there's a road just higher up and we walk to Barbono there.
Wow.
Look, Barbono is behind that mountain there.
Okay.
You see the mountain we just saw? You see how it looks now? How close it is now? That's Barbono. Just if you go to Barbono, you see the same way I'm seeing it there?
You see this?
The same way. Anytime you go to Barbono, just check it. You see it in
Which
the
part
board.
of Barbono though?
Once you reach on top there, you see the whole of Barbono. You're not far from Grozile. Just that mountain. There is forest here. We walk to forest here all the time. Up there, forest here, people walk up there. In fact, there's a house right up there if you watch well. Just that when it reaches a kind of way rough, I just go right up there. You see by the dish, almost drive to reach up there with a 4-wheel. On the other side too, there's Louvet. There's a road going back to Barbono if you pass New York. It's not far from Grozile. It's very, very. You remember how far you was in the mountain a while ago? You see how close it is there now. A little later to take a walk. I don't know how they don't reach it. I told them they had to come from Castles. Going pretty close up there. Let's go for a 3-hour walk.
So, will you be available to drop us back?
Yes. Hey, no. We drop everybody back. We don't leave nobody here. And they have short trips coming up. Plus, we drop. We don't leave nobody down.
Yeah, Nyaley.
I used to be the rep for a while. I really used to call it studio. That's why a lot of people can. I really call it with all kinds of bath towels and different souvenirs.
Okay, so the pool is that side?
Yeah, just
okay.
when the tourists reach there, they would go in there and do their shopping outside with that. Marcus Garvey, you know Marcus Garvey?
Yes.
He walked that trail. You know Marcus Garvey? The Rastas, he walked that trail. Okay, a lot of people walk that trail. Up there has a stage. Y'all can go there just a little later if you want. Although there's another road on the other side. You can go on, like if you spend in the day there, you could go and take a rest there. We have what they call camp tourism here, where the tourists would come and spend the entire day. And they even spend the night camping. And when you'll come back here, there'll be a water ride coming from the hills going away. At the front, so it'll be like this. But you know, when you soak, after an hour you can take a walk. There's a nice swing there for her. There's a nice swing. Anybody can swing on it, but she'd love it. Higher up there are about 10 swings all around the place. Even all at the front house. We try to maintain nice flowers. That's a nice flower. Ooh, that's a nice
The blue, yeah.
That flower, I mean, I'm seeing it, and every time I see that flower, it's lovely. I love flowers. The people that camping, they just go higher up and take water in the spring and cook. It's very pure water. That water you see all day in there. Pure water, there's a spring.
So right now I will be going and change into my bathing suit and I will be meeting you guys to show you around. So right now I have on my bathing suit and I will be going in the pools right away.
Yeah, you keep it up.
Oh, it's not that deep, huh?
It is Nyaley. You left at the bottom. Have you?
No.
Exactly. So you're going down.
You ain't touch the bottom?
No.
So this is the second pool I've entered. This is the pool closest to the little waterfall stream thing. I will show you guys my phone on the side.
It's deep though.
It's very deep.
Jump.
No, yeah, jump out the jump to front.
Oui, you do that just now. As the next time we come for 2 years. 300.
Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed and do visit Nature World for yourself. Have a blessed day. Bye.